This is a demo of Slide-In for Android. Slide-In allows you to share one Android screen with many client devices. Clients can interact as if the application was running on their own local device. It currently supports local Wi-Fi networks and a host of support applications. So it's pretty easy to get started. You can see that I'm running the application on both devices right now. On the left, I have a Google Nexus 7 tablet. On the right, I have a HTC M8. So I want to start broadcasting my screen from the Google Nexus 7. So I'm just going to tap here at the bottom where it says Start a New Session. And you'll see instantly that there's this little menu that kind of pops up. It's a floating window over the entire screen. Right now, all you can do is move and close the session. But when I want to start joining from one of the clients, you'll see that the tablet icon with Daenerys Targaryen popped up instantly on my HTC M8. So I'm just going to go ahead and slide that in. And right now, there's nothing being shared. So it only shares applications that are supported. I'm going to go ahead and open the Slide-In web browser. And wait a few seconds, and there it is. There it is on the Google Nexus 7 and the HTC M8. So cool thing about this is now I'm scrolling on the the Nexus 7 on the left here, but I can also interact with it on the right. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on Minecraft under PS4, and you can see that it instantly updated right on the Google Nexus 7. So now I'm going to tap again on my HTC M8 and want to search for another video game. I'm going to click the keyboard button up at the top right here to bring up my keyboard, and let's search for Lego Jurassic World. And enter. And again, this is all from the HTC M8. And there we go. So I'm using the HTC M8 to control my Google Nexus 7 with Slide-In. If I want to exit the session, first of all, if I want to exit the app, all I need to do is, press the home button on the Google Nexus 7, and you see that I can do something private now in the background without having to share the screen. And then to exit, all I do is press the X button on either the viewer on the M8 or the X button on my tablet, and that will end the session. And then in a second, the phone will update and go back to the main screen. So there it is.